Contixo Dragonfly mini drone for kids, auto takeoff, altitude hold, 360-degree stunts, LED lights, 16-minute flight, green. Products details. The Contixo TD1 mini Dragonfly drone is an exciting, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for kids aged 8 to 12 and first-time flyers. It creates a dazzling light show packed with vibrant LED lights, perfect for nighttime stunts and illuminated flights. Easy to operate, the TD1 features one-button takeoff, landing, and return, along with altitude hold and headless mode for stable, worry-free flights. With 360-degree flips, colorful LED lighting, and 2 rechargeable batteries, this mini drone provides up to 16 minutes of fun flight time. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor adventures, while protective propeller guards enhance safety during play.